Hi, the learning target I have identified as my focus is numbers. This may seem or sound trivial, especially in kindergarten, but in kindergarten, just as in many other grade levels, children come in with different levels of early experiences in their knowledge of numbers. And we quickly find out that kids can recite numbers and not necessarily understand the relationship between numbers and quantities, much like singing the alphabet song without really recognizing the letters. The standard I will be looking at is the Nebraska Mathematics Standard under kindergarten. The strand is numbers, and under numeric relationships, MA 0.1.1.C, which is use one-to-one correspondence when counting objects to show the relationship between numbers and quantities of 0 to 20. Understand up to 20 is the standard expected at the end of kindergarten. I feel I found a gold mine in this resource called Learning and Teaching with Learning Trajectories, or LT squared. It's a tool for early childhood educators and to understand really the progression, the natural development progression in learning mathematics. It contains tools such as short video clips, classroom activity ideas, and computer games. So let's take a look at that. I have developed my class already, created my class, and you go to this learning trajectories, and I highlighted kindergarten, K for kindergarten, and I'm going to highlight the category of number. And so those areas highlighted in yellow are what is appropriate at the age level in kindergarten for this group. So what I like about it is that I can go to counting. There's a short video clip about what counting is all about. It's very short, 21 seconds long.
A lot of people think that counting is just saying the number words out loud, but you'll see in our learning trajectory for counting that it spans from verbal counting to object counting to counting strategies and contains many levels on kids' way to proficient, competent counting.
So as you see, counting involves more than just saying numbers. So kindergarten level appropriate would be a producer of small numbers, counter, and producer of 10 plus, or counting backwards from 10. This is where you would find most children in kindergarten as far as counting. But like I said before, we have children coming in with different levels of early experiences, and we have children coming in being able to recite the numbers, yet when they begin to count one to one, they do not know, understand the meaning. So here's an example. This is a video clip of a child who knows the numbers but not necessarily distinct words. It's 14 seconds long.
Can you count for me? Good girl. Can you count these bears for me? Good girl.
See, this child is a chanter, meaning she can say the word. Therefore, this resource is full of information, so when I go to producer of small numbers, I will find activities, small group activities, and if I click under this link, it will take me to a short video clip, plus it will also give me a PDF of manipulatives and the game directions that I would need to follow. I have whole group activities, and I have already included students to track their progress. There is also computer activities where the child will practice this skill. When they are complete, I can see if they are being successful or need to perhaps move down a level, or in the other case, move up a level. So I think I will find this very useful because it is a great resource of the progression in the early development of children.